Stop lying to yourself. You're not working on it, you're avoiding it. You keep saying, I'm working on it. No, you're not. You're procrastinating with fancy words. You're not improving, you're avoiding. You binge self-help videos like they're therapy. You rewrite your goals every Sunday like that magically makes you disciplined. But when it's time to act, really act, you disappear. Working on it is your shield. It sounds responsible, productive, smart. But it's a lie, and your life knows it. Here's the truth you don't want to hear. If you were actually changing, you wouldn't need to say you were. Progress is loud in results, not in excuses. Clarity isn't your problem. You know exactly what you need to do. You just don't want to feel uncomfortable doing it. Avoidance wears a costume. It looks like planning. It looks like journaling. It looks like mental health breaks you haven't earned. Here's the shift. If the action isn't painful, risky, or inconvenient, it's probably not real growth. Discomfort is the receipt for change. No pain, no transformation. Period. So stop saying you're working on it. That phrase is killing your future. Do the thing you keep avoiding. Today, not next week, not after one more podcast. Because the life you say you want, it's on the other side of the shut you refuse to face. Let me know if you want the visuals, pacing notes, or a thumbnail concept to match this.